Now, the Ministry of Earth Sciences is all set to launch an indigenously built high-resolution global forecast model called the Bharat Forecasting System today. Union Minister Jiten Singh will be launching the advanced weather forecasting system developed by the Indian Institute of Tropic Meteorology in Pune. The new system will have a better resolution and geographical coverage. BFS will operate at 6-kilometer resolution. This resolution is advanced in comparison to the previous 12-kilometer global forecasting system used in India so far. This finer resolution will be helping in more precise predictions of localized weather events like heavy rainfall and cyclones. Arzu Seth is joining us live for more details on this story. Arzu, what makes this new system unique that will be launched by Union Minister Jiten Singh today?
The Ministry of Earth Science is launching a new and advanced weather forecasting system today, which is called the Bharat Forecast System, and it has been developed in India by the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, and which will be launched by Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Union Minister. This new system can give more detailed and accurate weather forecast, and it works at a 6-kilometer resolution, which means that it can better predict local weather like heavy rains, storms, cyclones, and earlier India used a 12-kilometer resolution system. So this is a big improvement that can be seen from 6-kilometer resolution to the 12-kilometer resolution. So the prediction will also be more accurate and better than before. Also, BFS would run on a powerful supercomputer named Arka, which is much faster and stronger than the previous one, Pratyush. And Arka is also located at IITM Pune and has a massive data storage processing capacity. So it uses information and also, create information about the weather forecast along with using the traditional weather prediction method. BFS also include artificial intelligence and machine learning to make the forecast even better, and it can give the kind of high quality data that AI models need to work properly. And however, it can still face a challenge like getting access to health data related to weather sensitive diseases. So one of the best thing about BFS is that data can be open for researchers around the world, and which can help improve global weather research, especially in a typical region like India. So if we can clearly see, that the data will be open for any researcher in the world, so they can also access. And the main thing is that this is Make in India. Also, we saw how this is our own system, which is a Bharat system, so the Bharat forecast system. So this will be more accurate than before about the weather predictions. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you for joining us with those updates.